B2B Cambodia, the portal for business use in Cambodia.
We're with Mr. Meas Sophat, the Chairman of Cambodian Insurance Brokers Association. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Can you tell us a bit more what is the association doing and what would be the future plans and goals for this association?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for having me again. I think we're in a very young industry, broking industry, it's an emerging business. I think before we establish association, we find it hard to do business, because in terms of regulatory perspective, tech perspective, and a lot of other issues industry face. So I think it's important that we come together and work together, set up a proper association and work for our common interest. And I think we're very young compared to a more mature market. I myself, witnessed 40-year anniversary of Insurance Brokers Association in Malaysia, 39-year anniversary Insurance Brokers Association in Indonesia. But here, we just start, so we are like a little bit far behind them. So it's important, I think we need to gather together and work and resolve all our issue in the industry, and also look ahead what we should do in order to build our industry forward, to at least not better, but catch up with the more mature market.
What would you say is the biggest achievements you did for 2022?
We make our association visible, more recognized from the industry, and also make our voice heard, So, before we find it hard to talk to the regulator. We want to get some change on the regulation and all that one. But when we talk under the name of association, the regulator reach our voice, and then adjust to regulation. That's the main benefit.
I think today was mentioned that the penetration rate is quite low in Cambodia. So how do you think the association could help to, help the industry in general to improve this?
We insurance broker, we distribute insurance product, so our role is to actually increase the market share, for the industry basically, So if you look at the statistic, now we contribute about 28% of the general insurance market in Cambodia. And I think our objective to increase maybe our market share to 60 to 70% of the entire general insurance market in the next 5 to 10 years. That's our objective. From there you see the big role that we have to do for our industry, right?
The tech and digitalization is coming even into insurance industry now. How much do you think it has changed the industry?
Yeah, I think it's we can start seeing some change now, because in the past, broker only doing commercial business. And now we see opportunity that brokers should also go to consumer line, which is an untouched market for broker. And as a broker, we can't go consumer to consumer directly without having a platform, So we got to have a platform and invest in technologies to do that. Without technology, broker cannot reach out to consumer. It have to be a platform, and that platform have to be a very good one, comparing to a more mature market. You can't have a platform where people find it hard to purchase insurance. So even my company, so we now invest in that already, and it's a big investment for us, as a broker. But we're willing to go to that area because I think it's an opportunity.
What are the main plans or goals you've set for 2023 for association?
Yeah, that's a good question again. And I think we have a proper 3-year strategic plan to bring CIBA forward, and that the next objective, like I mentioned earlier, is to increase the capability, increase the professionalism for our member. And that can be done through the education that a broker will do. So now we are preparing what we call a professional insurance course, for broker member. And the good thing is the regulator now authorize us to certify a member, to be a qualified broker, and that is a big job that we have to carry on, and also like building code of conduct, compliance requirements, and all that one. That's a big job that we need to do in the next few years to come.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We wish all the best. It was very first, and there'll be more, and maybe tens, and maybe even more than it to come.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.